morning, Group 52. In the book of Luke, you can read about Jesus, the Savior of the world, on trial for the sins of all humanity. There you'll see how he's beaten, battered, and bruised, forced to carry his cross 2,000 feet. It's estimated it took him approximately an hour to walk that far, falling. And a man by the name of Simon from Cyrene walks by and helps Jesus carry his cross to his destination. You see, this is the Savior of all humanity, all God, all man. And he receives help carrying his cross. This means we should never take for granted the strength of those around us that we admire. You never know when those you look up to, when those you admire are one step away from stumbling while they carry their cross. You never know what someone else is going through. So be mindful and don't be afraid to ask, hey, do you need a hand? Do you need help with this? What's your state of mind like? Is anything bothering you? Sometimes you may feel like those around you have it all together. But if Jesus received help carrying his cross, don't be shy about asking, is there anything I can do to lighten your burden? Because that's how we show love in our community. Stay healthy. God bless you, Group 52, and have the best week of your life.